Hi guys, Peter Sidwell from Simply Good Food TV here. I tried to do a breakfast vlog, it got busy, I didn't get it done, and then I was going to do lunch, and do you know what, I didn't get that done either. So what I'm going to do is, I've got the school running about, what, got to be there in an hour and 10 minutes, 20 minutes on the road. So what I'm going to try and do is cook what I wanted to show you, but I promised I'd cook, and I haven't cooked yet, but I said I would. So this is day 3 vlogging, and day 3, vlog 3. So far so good, we're making it. So hi there, Peter from Simply Good Food TV here, take 2, just went outside to film vlog 3, day 3, so I am on track, I am on par. I have done 3 days, 3 vlogs, so far good. So far so good, yay me. So take 2, we're in the kitchen now, and I thought it's, you know, day 3, big day yesterday. Launched a new corporate gig that I'm doing over in Whitehaven, supporting British Energy Coast, Beck, to create this amazing buzz station, which is food, innovation, this amazing kind of bus station that's been converted into incubator hub, restaurant, conference facility. Very, very cool. Really chuffed to be a part of it. So anyway, I promised we would do vlogging, and food. So I'm going to show you my amazing cheese toastie. Who doesn't love a cheese toastie, okay? So, a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm using a rapeseed oil mayonnaise today. Touch of mustard, if you like mustard. I'm going whole grain mustard. Right, give that a mix. Now, 2 cheeses, okay, really, really important. If you're gonna make ultimate cheese toastie, make it with 2. So I've got really good mature cheddar, okay? So I'm gonna grate that in, and that's gonna give that really lovely tangy flavor, you know, the flavor that we all love. We're a cheddar eating nation, okay? Then, just to mix it up a little bit, halloumi. Okay, squeaky cheese, as my kids call it. Okay, so we've got to, right, 4 o'clock, we've got half an hour to get this done, bashed out, have a chat, and make this amazing toastie. So I would say 2 parts cheddar, 1 part halloumi. If you don't like halloumi, what's wrong with you? Try something else. So we're just going to mix the mayonnaise, we're going to mix the mustard in, the 2 types of cheese. Now, I want oniony flavour in there, but I don't want full-on onions, it's going to be too much. So, I'm going to go and grab a handful of chives from the garden outside, and I'll be back. Okay, chives, smallest member of the onion family, okay? Oh, you didn't know that, did you? Okay, right, let's grab this chopping board. Right, and then chop. These are going to give a really lovely mild savoury flavour, which the toastie needs, because if you put raw onion in, it's going to be too strong for me. Okay, so there we go. So in it goes, chives in, mix this, and while it's cooking, we'll have a chat. Got a few things to talk about, a few things going on, outside of my world as well, actually. So right, toastie mix done. Really easy. Now I've got this awesome Jewish rye bread. It's delicious. It's got caraway and rye in it. Amazing. Really, really good bakery called More Bakery in Kendal. Well, Staveley really, just near Kendal. So we butter the outside of our bread, okay? So butter the bread, turn it over, okay? And then we take our filling and we put it and get it right to the edges, okay? Don't do half measures. If you want to be really healthy, don't make this. If you want the gratification and the just of cheese on toast, then make it, okay? So I've got a little bit of to the Yorkshire. There we go, Henderson's relish. I know you love it down there in Sheffield. I love it too. But in Worcestershire, they're going to like their Leon Perrins. But look, a little bit of Worcester sauce, Henderson's. If you're in Yorkshire, you'll be on Henderson's. Anywhere else, you'd be on Liam Perrins. Okay, so butter on the outside, both sides, straight in our pan. Medium heat, because you want a nice, even, gentle heat. If it's too high, it'll crisp on the outside, it won't be melted in the middle. If it's too low, the bread will go all soggy and you'll just be there forever. So, let it tick away. Now, okay, so while it's cooking, I'll say my piece. Okay, so really exciting day yesterday as well for Simply Good Food TV. We secured an international sponsor for the first series. We're going to be going filming in about 3 weeks' time, which my commercial director keeps reminding me. 3 weeks, Pete, 3 weeks. So really excited to be getting that first program out onto Amazon Prime. If you haven't got Amazon Prime, go and have a look. You can get it free for like 30 days, I think. And if you buy presents and stuff on Amazon, it's a no-brainer. Okay, failing that, Simply Good Food TV, free app, you can download it from the App Store, Google or Apple Play Store. No? Should we try again? Google Play Store, App Store for Apple. Download it onto your iPad or your iPhone if you've got Android. I'm really sorry about that, I don't get that. But hey, and also, something else happened this week. So, Matt Campbell, chef from Cumbria, semi-finalist in MasterChef, died tragically. Can't believe this. Doing the London Marathon. He was doing 2 marathons. Did the Manchester Marathon, and then did the London. I mean, amazing to attempt that. What I didn't realise was I knew his dad, and his dad had passed away. And can't believe that. He was the first guy to ever film me. Martin Campbell, first guy to film me cooking, helped me on my way. I didn't even realise Martin had passed away. So gutted about that, gutted about Matt. What a loss. Would have loved to have met him, would have loved to have crossed paths on the scene, on the circuit of doing demos and things like that. So I am going to be doing this finish for Matt. So this weekend it's like 3.7 miles, which is what he was short of to get over the line. Which in some respects is irrelevant because, do you know what? The poor guy's died and his family must be mortified, so my thoughts go out to them. But what an amazing way to sort of salute him, to go and finish that. I'm not a runner, but I'm going to go out and I'm going to do those miles and finish it for Matt. So go on to social media, have a look at what's going on and get yourselves out there. Go to and donate a bit of money. The money that he was raising has shot through the roof, which is amazing. What a refreshing perspective on mankind. You know, we're not all that bad after all. But hey, thoughts go out to him. You know, at the end of the day, there are more important things going on in the world. And something like that brings it all home for me. So, anyway, however, onto our toastie. So, we should be toasting lovely. Now, I'm using this non-stick griddle pan. This is cast aluminium. Okay, you can get it from Kitchen Craft. I promised the guys that I would use it, try it out, test it. And oh, look at that. Lovely. Listen to that. That is the noise we love to hear. That's the noise of cooking. Okay, so don't move it around, don't touch it, just let it toast through. Okay, and that is gonna be absolutely beautiful. It's gonna be delicious. I'm looking forward to my very late lunch. We're like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. School run, the clock is ticking, okay? So, let's grab it. Great thing about this mix, actually, you can keep it in the fridge. It'll keep for a week, no problem. You can freeze it, works really, really well. What I'm actually gonna serve it with are pickled grapes. Yes, you heard it, grapes. Now, all I do is I take grapes that maybe sit on my desk and I haven't eaten them, and I should have done, but hey. And then I just chuck them into a load of vinegar, red wine vinegar with honey, and I leave them for 2 or 3 weeks. And what happens is they get super tangy and super fruity and delicious. And I tell you, they are absolutely amazing with cheese. So we're just gonna slice them up. So they're fruity and they're tangy. And they're just gonna be delicious with this toastie. Okay? So this recipe you can get. Now, Simply Good Food TV, I've now got an amazing website. Emily, who works for us, has been uploading tons and tons of recipes for everyone. So go to simplygoodfoodtv.com and you will get hundreds of recipes. I will drop this recipe on there. You will get to see behind the scenes stuff that's going on when we film the new series. You will get loads of insights, loads of recipes. That's kind of where we put all the static stuff. So the recipes, the ideas, the seasonal ingredients, things like that. Everything that makes cooking cool. But then if you want the videos, the TV programs, all that kind of stuff, go to Simply Good Food TV in the App Store and you can get the app. Okay, so let's have a little look. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that. So that is our toastie. Can you see? Look, a little sneaky peek. There we go. We all love a sneaky peek. Look at that. So because of the mayonnaise that we put in there, it just goes delish. Okay, so I'm going to cut it so that I can eat it and keep some dignity with you. I'm going to take a few of these grapes, just sit them on top. But what an amazing, simple recipe. Oh my God. The world's best toastie ever. If nothing else, try this. So easy, so simple to do. You can make it while you're chatting. I've done that too. Please, if you like the vlog, if you want me to carry on, or you want me to do anything in particular, subscribe to it. We've had loads of subscriptions, loads of likes, which is amazing, so thank you. Hoping to grow it even more. Got a really exciting guest coming tomorrow, on tomorrow morning's vlog, so hopefully we might do that one live actually. Got someone coming for breakfast who you might know from The Apprentice, so fingers crossed. And then next week I've got Richard Fox coming in into the studio here at Keswick Cookery School. Now I have spent all day building my new outdoor kitchen, and the minute I turn the camera on it's pouring down with rain. So hopefully tomorrow's vlog you will see the new studio kitchen that's outdoors. I do know DIY, I am rubbish at it, but I'm proud of it too. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification so that you know when we've put a new video out there, and I'll see you tomorrow.